Hey y'all, Model Man Frank here. We're gonna fly the Puss Moth now. Enjoy the flight. Oh! There goes the plane. Survived the landing. There. Oh yeah, I've really lost it. At least everything stayed together. Oh boy. Oh boy. Now let's disconnect the battery. Okay, well, time to rebuild that bird. I don't think it's gonna be rebuilt, guys. I think I'm just gonna cut my losses and move on to the next plane. What do y'all think? Make sure you leave a comment in the section below, and I'll catch you guys. Thank y'all for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.